Farm to Table Chef Tekka Thompson at tekkathompson.com, and today we're talking about different kinds of topsoil for your vegetable garden. So you have four main different types that you'll probably find in your garden or the area you want to start your garden in. So that would be loamy, clay, slit, and sand. The ideal, what we're going for is loamy, and loamy is very light and fluffy and packed full of nutrients. It should kind of look like this. Now if we're working with slit, clay, or sand, the idea is to get it to as close to loamy as possible. So if you don't know what you're working with or you can't identify it, this would be sand. As you can see, it's got the coarse sand in it. It's good for draining, but it's not much nutrients. So if you're new at gardening and you want to identify your soil and know exactly what you're working with to add and to create the most nutritious, best soil you can possibly do for your garden, the best way is just to take a little sample into your local gardening store or nursery, and they can tell you what you're working with and then what to add and build from there to try to get it close as loamy as possible. I'm Farm to Table Chef Tekka Thompson at tekkathompson.com. That is different types of topsoil for vegetable garden. Thank you for watching.